Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube Contraband Fan channel. It's raining outside, I'm indoors, which is okay. I need a break. I'm doing a brief diagnosis of the performance of a plastic blade. The sort of which I'm not generally impressed with, but as it turns out this one is above average in its build quality. The dirt buildup will reveal what part of a blade has strong influences on the air it's moving and what part has weak influences. The dirt buildup on this blade is uniform generally, which is a good thing. There are three areas that are different from the other parts. Nearest the center, this indented area here, and being at the slower moving part of the blade, has some turbulence that shows the interference of that buildup right there following the hub. And at the leading edge, the negative pressure area generated by the blade ahead of the one we're looking at is reflected by the light buildup. And at the outer edge, the fastest traveling part of the blade, and this having somewhat to do with the frame that this runs in, is the thickest buildup. So uniform coverage means the blade's working generally in favor with itself and is not getting in its own way. Curious part of this blade is how that the impeller and the propeller influences are at the outer edge, and the center part of the blade is much less contoured, generally flat. This turning clockwise and this being the discharge side, the impeller influence at the outer edge is this angle pointing downward. Impeller causes negative pressure behind it. A propeller causes positive pressure in front of it. Now this angle pointing down causes negative pressure there, and centrifuge action causes air to spin off the sides, which also contributes to this thick part here. It also has the propeller influence, as you can see as it turns, that it gets steep from a downward incline to an upward incline, and the dirt buildup reflects that as well. This is not too bad for a plastic blade design. It's still getting replaced. So that's my brief analysis of a plastic blade, of which I'm not generally a fan. Pun optional. So check back again soon. There will be more material here on a regular basis. Count on it. Contraband Fan over and out. Praise Jesus. Hallelujah. And I don't care if the ACLU has a problem with me saying that. Check back. Talk to you then.